In the ever-evolving landscape of digital business, the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, has propelled organizations into unprecedented levels of efficiency and innovation. However, with great power comes great responsibility, and as businesses harness the potential of AI, they find themselves exposed to a new frontier of cyber threats. As we step into 2024, the imperative to safeguard against AI-driven cyber threats has never been more critical. We explores the emerging landscape of AI cyber threats and outlines cutting-edge security tactics to fortify your business against these digital adversaries. The evolving face of AI cyber threats. AI cyber threats are no longer confined to the realm of science fiction. They have become a reality, leveraging sophisticated algorithms and machine learning capabilities to exploit vulnerabilities in organizational defenses. These threats manifest in various forms, from intelligent malware and adversarial machine learning attacks to AI-driven social engineering tactics. One prominent concern is the rise of AI-powered malware, capable of adapting and evolving autonomously. Traditional antivirus solutions are often ill-equipped to handle these dynamic threats, necessitating a paradigm shift in cybersecurity strategies. Additionally, adversarial machine learning poses a significant challenge, as attackers manipulate AI models to deceive security systems, rendering them ineffective. 2024 Security Tactics: Building Robust Defenses. To combat the agility of AI-driven threats, businesses need to deploy advanced threat detection systems that incorporate machine learning algorithms. These systems analyze patterns and anomalies in real time, enabling the identification of malicious activities that may go unnoticed by conventional security measures. Explainable AI, XAI. Incorporating explainable AI into security frameworks enhances transparency, allowing organizations to understand and interpret the decisions made by AI models. This not only aids in building trust but also enables cybersecurity experts to identify and rectify potential vulnerabilities in AI systems before they can be exploited by malicious actors. Behavioral biometrics. Traditional authentication methods are susceptible to AI-driven attacks, such as deepfake authentication attempts. Behavioral biometrics, which analyze unique patterns in user behavior, offer a more robust layer of security. By continuously monitoring and adapting to user behavior, these systems can detect anomalies indicative of unauthorized access. Cybersecurity education and training. The human element remains a crucial factor in cybersecurity. Businesses must invest in ongoing education and training programs to raise awareness about AI cyber threats. Employees should be equipped with the knowledge and skills to recognize potential risks, such as AI-driven phishing attacks, and respond appropriately. Blockchain for enhanced security. The decentralized and immutable nature of blockchain technology provides a solid foundation for enhancing security in the AI landscape. Implementing blockchain can secure data integrity, prevent unauthorized tampering, and establish trust in AI-generated insights and recommendations. Zero Trust Architecture. Moving away from the traditional perimeter-based security model, Zero Trust architecture assumes that threats can come from both internal and external sources. By adopting a least privilege access approach and continuously verifying user identities, organizations can mitigate the risk of unauthorized access facilitated by AI-driven attacks. Collaborative threat intelligence sharing. In the interconnected digital ecosystem, sharing threat intelligence is paramount. Organizations should actively participate in collaborative efforts to share information about AI cyber threats. This collective approach enables a faster response to emerging threats and strengthens the overall resilience of the business community. As we navigate the intricate web of AI cyber threats in 2024, businesses must recognize the urgency of adopting advanced security tactics. The evolving nature of these threats requires a proactive and adaptive cybersecurity strategy that goes beyond conventional measures. By embracing cutting-edge technologies, fostering a culture of cybersecurity awareness, and collaborating with the broader community, organizations can fortify their defenses and ensure a secure future in the digital era. The stakes are high, and the time to act is now. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe. See you in the next video.